Cholesterol, a waxy substance produced by the liver, is essential for cell, hormone, and vitamin formation. Excess cholesterol in the blood can lead to plaque formation, increasing the risk of heart disease. While the liver produces sufficient cholesterol, certain foods, like eggs, are beneficial and don't necessarily raise cholesterol levels. Conversely, processed meats and fried items can negatively impact health. On this episode of A Healthy Dose, I will talk about the foods that are good for your cholesterol levels and those you should avoid. Let's first look at healthy foods with cholesterol. Eggs, shrimps, grass-fed beef, and similar high cholesterol foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other good-for-you nutrients. Eggs are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, but each large egg contains 189 milligrams of cholesterol. While some studies show no significant impact on heart disease risk factors, others suggest a potential increase in LDL cholesterol with long-term consumption. Eggs provide lutein, vitamin D, selenium, and vitamin A, offering protection against chronic diseases. For generally healthy individuals, 1 egg per day is recommended, and older adults with normal cholesterol levels may consume up to 2 eggs daily. Shrimp contains 135 milligrams of cholesterol in a 3-ounce serving, but are low in bad fats and high in protein, vitamin B12, zinc, and selenium. Eating more shrimp is linked to improved cholesterol levels and reduced heart risk. If generally healthy, limit shrimp intake to 3 ounces per day. A 3.5-ounce can of sardines has 131 milligrams of cholesterol, but is rich in vitamin D, calcium, and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. To promote heart health, aim for 2 weekly servings of fatty fish, with each serving around 3 ounces. Eating organ meats such as liver, heart, and kidneys provides rich nutrients like vitamins and minerals. Beef liver, for instance, is high in protein, iron, and zinc, with lower calories and fat than regular meat. Despite its nutritional benefits, it contains 333 milligrams of cholesterol per 3 ounces. Studies indicate that consuming unprocessed meats, including organs, is associated with a lower risk of heart problems compared to a low intake of these meats. A single piece of cheddar cheese has 17 milligrams of cholesterol, and this can accumulate if you eat more throughout the day. On the positive side, cheese provides essential nutrients like protein, calcium, and phosphorus. Some studies suggest that having around 40 grams, about 1.5 ounces, of cheese each day could potentially help guard against heart disease. Grass-fed beef is typically higher in nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, as emphasized in a 2022 study by Krasinski and colleagues. Choosing grass-fed over grain-fed beef means more omega-3s, antioxidants, and lower fat and cholesterol. Full-fat dairy, such as whole milk products, provide essential bone nutrients, but a cup contains 31.8 milligrams of cholesterol. While past research linked full-fat dairy to higher cholesterol and heart disease risk, recent studies suggest that including whole-fat dairy in the overall diet may not increase heart disease or cholesterol levels. A study on individuals with metabolic syndrome found that consuming 3.3 daily dairy servings, regardless of fat content, did not affect blood pressure compared to a dairy-free diet. Now let's look at unhealthy foods with cholesterol. Limit or avoid foods high in cholesterol, like fried items and processed meats, as they can harm your health. It's best to steer clear of deep-fried chicken wings and other fried foods that can raise your cholesterol. These foods contain unhealthy fats like saturated and trans fats, which prompt your body to make more LDL cholesterol. This boosts the amount of bad cholesterol in your blood and raises the chances of heart disease. Limit processed meats like ham, sausage, and hot dogs in your diet, as they can raise cholesterol levels. A study found that having 2 servings per week increases the risk of cardiovascular disease by 7%, including heart attacks and strokes. Keep your heart healthy by reducing processed meat intake. Sweet treats like cookies and cakes are tasty but detrimental to health, loaded with cholesterol, calories, and excess sugars. They lack essential nutrients. Overconsumption may contribute to weight gain, heart issues, diabetes, cognitive decline, and possibly increase the risk of certain cancers. Chicken with the skin on. Regular grain-fed beef and pork contain more saturated fat compared to skinless chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins. This type of fat can elevate your blood cholesterol levels and raise the likelihood of developing heart disease. Unhealthy fast foods such as chips, burgers, fries, and pizza are usually packed with lots of calories, salt, and harmful fats that can contribute to long-term health problems. Research shows that regularly eating fast food is linked to weight gain, belly fat, inflammation, and oxidative stress. It's also associated with a higher risk of diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic syndrome. So, what are the health risks of too much cholesterol? Excessive cholesterol raises your chances of heart disease and stroke, leading causes of death in the United States. Research indicates that saturated and trans fats in unhealthy cholesterol-packed foods pose a higher risk for heart disease compared to foods like shrimp and eggs. The following are some good recipes with high-density lipoprotein, aka the good cholesterol. You can include healthy, high-cholesterol foods in your diet in moderation by mixing full-fat dairy or yogurt with fresh berries and nuts. Number 2, you can add shrimp to a stir fry. Number 3, pairing grass-fed steak with steamed vegetables and a baked potato. Number 4, putting a sliced boiled egg on toast with mashed avocado. Number 5, pan-frying marinated liver slices for about 3 minutes on each side with olive oil. So, how to best balance cholesterol levels? To keep your cholesterol levels healthy, consider these simple steps. Number 1, watch your diet. Avoid foods high in saturated fat, like fatty meats and processed snacks, to lower the risk of heart-related issues. Number 2, stay active. Regular exercise can reduce LDL cholesterol levels, making you 21% less likely to develop heart problems. Number 3, eat more fiber. Include high-fiber foods, such as oatmeal, bananas, and beans to manage LDL cholesterol and boost HDL cholesterol. Number 4, maintain a healthy weight. Excess body fat interferes with cholesterol regulation, affecting your heart health. Number 5, quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels, increasing the chance of heart disease. Number 6, stop drinking alcohol. Drinking alcohol can raise triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Moreover, the following are some dietary restrictions and alternatives. Good cholesterol foods can be part of different diets. If you follow the pescatarian diet, you can eat shrimp, crab, sardines, cheese, eggs, and fish. If you follow a dairy-free diet, you can eat grass-fed meat, organ meat, sardines, shrimp, and fish. If you follow a vegetarian diet, you can eat cheese, full-fat dairy, and eggs. In summary, not all foods with high cholesterol are harmful. Eggs, cheese, and fish, for example, contain essential nutrients that are good for your health. Including them in a balanced diet in moderation is generally safe. On the flip side, be cautious with cholesterol-heavy fried, processed, and fast foods. They often contain unhealthy saturated and trans fats, which can be bad for your health and raise the risk of heart disease. Limiting these foods is advisable. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on the video here.